ଅଙ୍ଗବତୀରୁ ଗଙ୍ଗୁଆ, ଚିରସ୍ରୋତା ନଦୀରୁ ନର୍ଦ୍ଦମା।
ଜଳ ଦିନେ ଅମୃତ ସ୍ୱରୂପ ଥିଲା, କିନ୍ତୁ ଏବେ ହଳାହଳ ବିଷ ପାଲଟିଛି।
ସହରକୁ ଯେମିତି ଯେମିତି ଭାବରେ ଏହି ପାଣି ଯାଉଛି ତାହା କ୍ରମଶଃ ନର୍ଦ୍ଦମାରେ ପରିଣତ ହେଉଛି।
ସେ ଗଙ୍ଗୁଆର ଅବସ୍ଥା ଯାହା, ସେଥିରେ ଜଳ ନୁହେଁ ତ ପ୍ରବାହିତ ହେଉଛି ଜହର।
ଗଙ୍ଗୁଆ ପ୍ରଦୂଷିତ ହୋଇଛି, ଆଉ ଅଲଡ଼ା ହୋଇଛି ଉଭୟ ଗଙ୍ଗୁଆ ଏବଂ ଦୟା ନଦୀର ପାଣି।
Total city drainage. So 14, these are 21 streams are there. Now 14 streams are converted into the drain. So whole river is now a drain, and we called it as Gangua Nala. If you search Google na, they will not give you Gangua river. Google say no, please search Nala, put Nala. If the river become a Nala na, the wetland, everything, this acres of land, all are polluted. BOD level supposed to be 3 to 5. Now it's 150 BOD level. I'm telling the fact. This can be a reason for another COVID type of disaster.
And I know that the planet cannot be 100% sustainable, but we can at least try for our best to make it 90% sustainable.
Hi, this is Bipin Mohanty, and I'm at Intact Stall. And here is a project. This is called River Gangua project. And River Gangua is the river of Bhubaneswar. When Bhubaneswar established in Odisha as the capital, we have thought of this river belt only, because that time there was no this borewell and other water system. We have to depend upon the river water maximum. So mostly the cities are set up in the river belt. So this is Gangua river, and if you see the formation of the river mostly this is from different forests and hill area. So this is Chandaka jungle, Chandaka forest, and here is Bharatpur sanctuary. This is the sanctuary in Bhubaneswar, and here is a Khandagiri Udayagiri mountain is there, and here is Deulipatna mountain. This is Deulipatna area. So these are the streams are there, and if you see dams like Deras Dam, Jhumuka Dam, and here is the Kumarkhanti Reservoir Dam. So you see these water, these streams are coming here, and this is the KIIT area, the Kalinga Institute of Technology, and when it is crossing through KIIT and crossing this Nandankanan road, here is Nandankanan, and the lake is here. This is the lake, and when it is crossing this Raghunath Purna, so before that water are clean over here, but this wetland area and the KIIT, this civilization, this is polluting this area by dumping different garbage and all the thing, even the sewage and all the thing, private sewage and all. Then it's coming in the east part of the Bhubaneswar city. If you see Bhubaneswar, this is the airport, this is the highway going through the Bhubaneswar, and this is the Cuttack Road area, and this is the recent bypass of Puri bypass, right? And this is the Kuakhai river, but Kuakhai don't have any connection with the this Gangua river. Previously it was Gandhavati river, and you see the temple area. This is Lingaraj temple, this is Mukteswar temple and all, Mageshwar temple. These are all near to this river. And if you see the history of this river, this is a historical river. 4 major ports are here. One is this Shishupalgarh. This is Shishupalgarh, then Bargarh, Patiagarh, and you see this is Chudangagarh. Okay, so these are the gods. Before this city grown up into a capital, the temple city and the gods are there. Okay, so now what happened? This total city drainage. So 14, these are 21 streams are there. Now 14 streams are converted into the drain. So whole river is now a drain, and we called it as Gangua Nala. If you search Google na, they will not give you Gangua river. Google say no, please search Nala, put Nala. So now this is a drain. So it's a very difficult situation. If the river become a Nala na, the wetland, everything, this acres of land, all are polluted. And if you see about the technical thing na, the BOD level supposed to be 3 to 5. Now it's 150 BOD level. And bacterial level supposed to be 500, 2,500. Now it's 250,000. I'm telling the fact on the paper basis. So this is very risk position. We have to act over it very soon and seriously. Neither the smart city will be the reason like China na COVID. This can be a reason for another COVID type of this disaster. Thank you.
truly a river is our lifeline, and polluting a river is the most wanted sin that anybody can commit on this earth. This kind of initiative has innovated me so much. It has inspired me. Something truly exceptional has happened to me, because I think aspiring environmentalists are doing the most important job in this world, because the foremost responsibility any human being has is to conserve our planet. And I know that the planet cannot be 100% sustainable, but we can at least try for our best to make it 90% sustainable, which is maybe perhaps the most that we can go. But not even trying it little bit, like 10%, you are doing it completely wrong. Okay, we still have a little bit of chance. Act on the chance.